Now introducing Daniel. Daniel is a first-year medical student from Kaufman, Texas. He's going to tell you all about the hands-on learning opportunities UT Tyler has. Let's go, Daniel.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, howdy, hello. I've dreamed of becoming a physician since my senior year of high school. I never thought that I would attend medical school so close to home, but thank God for the University of Texas at Tyler. Because of UT Tyler, my dream is becoming a reality. Hands-on learning is involved in just about everything we do at the School of Medicine and throughout UT Tyler. In the first month of our curriculum, we take an EMT course where we apply what we learned in class to a real-life situation. We also do 4 ambulance ride-alongs and 2 ER shifts. Here at UT Tyler, we get the opportunity to interact with real patients as early as our first month in school. At other schools, this may not happen until a year and a half into the program. Currently, we're learning how to take a cardiovascular exam and how to use an ultrasound. We practice our new skills with our simulated patients in the SMILE Center, which stands for Simulation in Medicine and Immersive Learning Experience. Simulation offers medical students the chance to build confidence in a risk-free environment, while hands-on learning bridges theory and practice. This is true in all of UT Tyler's 8 academic colleges and schools. We sharpen our skills, improve clinical judgment, and prepare to make critical decisions under pressure, which is essential in becoming effective, responsive physicians who improve patient outcomes. Interactive learning is a big part of the School of Medicine, and our faculty simplifies complex concepts while making it fun too. Whether you're passionate about nursing, engineering, or business, hands-on learning is integrated into the curriculum. From simulation practice to research and internship opportunities, UT Tyler equips you for your future career. Well, that's all for me. Back to you, Alex.
Great job, Daniel. We know you're going to be an amazing doctor. All that hands-on experience in the simulation lab is definitely preparing you well for what's ahead. That was awesome.